I've added another level of security to my iPhone. With cybercrime and identity theft on the rise, it's essential that you get as much security as possible. This is a great way to protect your personal information. Even if they open your phone with Face ID or your password, you're going to have another level of security where they won't be able to take your Apple ID and won't be able to change all of the account information on your phone. This will take your iPhone security to the next level. So grab your phone and let me show you how to do it. Click on Settings. From here, go down to Screen Time. Click on Screen Time. From here, I want you to scroll down until you see Content and Privacy Restrictions. Click there. And right up top where it says Content and Privacy Restrictions, turn that on. It'll require your passcode. If you haven't already set one, you can set it now. From here, I want you to scroll down, and where it says Passcode Changes, put Don't Allow, and then go back, and where it says Account Changes, put Don't Allow, and then click back again. And from here, back one more time. And right here, mine says Change Screen Time Passcode. If you haven't set one, you're going to want to click there and set it. Just make sure that you set it and make a different passcode than the one you use to unlock your phone.